Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this Dowinx office chair and gaming chair that this brand sent to me for the video. I can't stop swiveling. I do have to say that this is a good chair for many things, but for gaming and for productivity and for sitting for long periods of time, this is a really good chair. It's really comfy, comes packed with some features that I'm going to show you in a few seconds. And the assembly process is explained right here. It's going to take you with power tools. I don't think it's going to take you more than 20-25 minutes tops, no more than that. This one supports 300 pounds. This chair supports 300 pounds. It comes in multiple colors, but I do like this color over here. I think it's kind of like popping. I think the kind of like this floor yellow is popping up really, really good. And right here on these accents and the stitches as well in the base over here, I think it's popping nicely. 300 pounds of weight limit. This one right here that you can actually remove. I like this one because it is a high density foam, kind of like lumbar support, but also it comes right here with an USB. And when you connect this one to a power bank, for example, or you can connect it to like your computer or a power outlet, this one's going to give you a 2-point massager. So that's actually kind of like a vibrating part for your lower back area when you're sitting for long periods of time. The armrests right here are padded, but you can't modify the height. I'm going to show you why you can't modify the height on this one. And it also comes with this pillow that you can actually remove if you want. You can see that this one is kind of like the same materials that the this one right here on the lower back is. It's there, and you're going to see that it comes with this kind of like a racing chair, I want to say, kind of like game with a racing accents right here. But the best thing about this one, besides that this part over here, it is really, really firm. Like the whole padded section, it is really cushioned, but this one is more firm. So that one is what's going to make you to withstand those 300 pounds of weight. And then you're going to see that this one right here, it comes with a dedicated footrest right here. You're going to see this. So I think this is actually kind of like cool to put a little bit of more chill position, more chilling position. But then, yeah, let me show you this, because I mean, like every other chair, you can modify the height just like this, nice and easy. But this lever over here, which is locked right now, I'm going to unlock it. So now it's unlocked. So pair with this really nice footrest, you have this recliner over here. Feels super nice, feels really nice. I have to say that it's kind of like comfy. But the other good thing about this one, this recliner, is that you can actually lock it at any position. As you can see over here, now it's locked, and I'm gonna lock it back again. And then that's why these are not adjustable, because it follows the actual kind of like backrest. So you can put your arms there and just have this really nice chilling position. Then when you're done, you put this back just like here, lock it, put the footrest down on position again, and you are ready to rock back again. I like it, super nice on the colors, really cool racing style. Comes with a 2-point vibrator massager over here, the headrest, and of course it's gonna give you a really nice back support with this right here for long periods of time with the recliner as well. I'm gonna give it a thumbs up to this chair. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.